Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock a contact on imo. So let's start. First open the imo app. Now tap on contacts on top right corner. Now scroll down and search for the contact you want to block. And tap on the contact name. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on view profile. Now tap on three dots on top right corner again and tap on block, and the block option will be enabled. And this contact has been blocked. Now to unblock this contact, go back. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner. Now tap on settings and go to privacy. Here you will see block contacts. Tap on that. Now tap on unblock of the contact you want to unblock. Now tap unblock for confirmation. And that's how you can block and unblock a contact on imo. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.